looking at YouTube like the usual, and I see some notifications. I see someone asking a question, and uh, I've been needing to make one of these new hotel videos for quite a while. So the question is, how do I make the door close or spawn back after the card has touched it and has been destroyed? Also, how do I make it so you can use the check-in GUI multiple times without leaving or respawning? So first thing I did was open up Studio, find Chippy's Hotel, and I got right into it. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to I guess this would be like sort of part 3.5 sort of thing. But today I'm going to be answering your questions because scripting is confusing. A lot of people are, confused on how to do it, and based on the name of the commenter, someone's using my kit to make a hotel, which is very cool. I know, I like people using my kits, but please give me credit. Gecko Hotel sounds pretty good, video stuff, but, welcome back to me. Anyway, so, to be answering your questions, I pulled up a list. There's only, 2 questions, but still, you guys need to know how to answer them. So first, the question 1. How do I make a door close or spawn back after the card has been touched it and it has been destroyed? So let's, just divide this question into 2 parts. I'm going to be answering both in the video. But first of all we have to do is go to the script of the door and say, instead of destroy, we say script.Parent.door. I could. Oh yeah, let's make this good there. So we're gonna, with the door, we're gonna duplicate the door, turn it just turn it a little bit like that, and then we're gonna put this inside. It can be inside or out. It really doesn't matter, but we're gonna do that. So now, and then we're gonna call this door opened. So now we set the transparency of this to 1, and then we set can collide to false. So now we do script.Parent.door transparency false. I meant like that. I'm getting ahead of myself. Parent.door.can collide is equal to false. Now we do script.Parent.door opened transparency is equal to 0, meaning it's visible, and then the door opened collisions, it's really hard to talk into this, set to true. So now, if I'm just, I'm gonna go. Now I just do this and now then we can set the magnitude. Alright, so after a while I just decided to put a wait 3 seconds in the middle because I kept on getting this stupid error. It took me 10 minutes to try to figure out, and anywho, so now it works. So I just go I'm not checking 19. Exit, gonna over here, and then I'll close. And you can adjust the wait time by just saying wait blah blah blah. So that's how you do it without removing the door. Now, part 2 of the question, also, how do you make it so you can use check and UI multiple times without leaving or respawning? Alright, so I realized that if you go to rooms, it has like, room 1 like that, but inside the player it has a room and it tells you which room it is. So with that, whenever the player leaves, it checks which rooms and makes it available. Booyah! It's that easy. I had a few errors with it, and it, didn't really work out. But here it is. So the first line is the respawn time, and the respawn time is, if you go into players, the respawn time's right there, so you can automatically set it from there, which is pretty useful. Inventory it's just creating a folder. And then the inventory's parent is going to be replicated storage. I know I could have just used tables, but I feel like this would be a lot easier. Then the folder's name is going to be the player's name. This line loops through everything in the character, and then this checks if what's in the character is a tool. Then it will put the tool inside the folder. It'll do the same for the backpack, and it will wait the respawn time plus 2 seconds to be safe. Now, since everything that was in your inventory went into the folder, when you respawn, it takes it out of the folder and puts it inside your backpack. I'll link this code in the description. I'm sorry I couldn't explain it well. This was a really difficult video to make. But anyways, yes. And then inside the local script, just keep this saved to your clipboard. Then we're gonna say game.Players.Character.die. It's going to fire an event. So we're going to create an event. We'll call it, let's call it event die. So be fine for his child, because what inside the thing is the value. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just pulled a stupid in and die. So, I guess that kind of concludes today's video. I mean, I was working on a video of an elevator, but I just figured that's kind of pointless. Like, you don't, I mean, you need an elevator, but like, you can find mini tutorials on how to make a really simple elevator. Anywho, yeah, so that's gonna end off this video. I hope you enjoyed. Just know that I know scripting is very hard, very difficult to do, and that's why I'm providing tutorials and helping you, script without having problems. So this video was just kind of to answer your questions. Hope you enjoyed. This video took me
just an hour just to film, so please consider liking, subscribing. If you saw this,